ẹ kìlọ̀ fún Tinubu kí Tinubu gba ìkìlọ̀. Kí Tinubu àtàwọn tí wọ́n jọ ń ṣèjọba kí wọ́n gba ìkìlọ̀ torí pé wọ́n yóò sá kolobákolobà láìpẹ́. Yóò ṣe kí ni wọ́n sá kolobákolobà. Kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀? Ẹ máa gbọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ lórí ètò gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọ̀rọ̀ tí wòlíì yìí sọ. Ẹ ti mọ̀ pé wòlíì tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ yóò ní sọ̀rọ̀ kó sọ pé ò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́. Torí wípé báyìí lolúwa wí tiwọn bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Báyìí lolúwa wí ẹ ti mọ̀ ta ni mò ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ máa tó mọ̀ wọ́n. Ẹ wo ẹ kú déédé àsìkò yìí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa. Ẹ káalẹ́, ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán according to the time tá a bá bá yín. Ṣó ní lọ́jọ́ ìsinmi lọ́dọ̀ tí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni òní lọ́jọ́ ìsinmi lọ́dọ̀ tiwa náà tá a mọ̀ sọ́jọ́ Sunday. Ọjọ́ òní ó gbé gbogbo wa. Ẹ wò ó lórí ètò lónìí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń darapọ̀ mọ́ mi nì. Ẹ dákun ẹ bá mi pín fídíò yìí kó dé ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn tó yẹ kó dé. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ dé ọ̀dọ̀ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ dé ọ̀dọ̀ gbogbo àwọn tọ́rọ̀ kàn. Torí pé lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí eléyìí tó jáde eléyìí tún lágbára. Mélòó la fẹ́ sọ lọ́rọ̀ orílẹ̀-èdè Yorùbá. Ó ní ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ gbọ́ nípa olóyè Sunday Adéyẹmọ Ìgbòho Òòṣà, aṣíwájú àwọn ìran Yoruba Nation. Bàbá wa Professor Bánjí Akíntóyè àti gbogbo àwọn èèyàn sàràkí tó wà nínú ìran Yorùbá. Ẹ ní ṣaláì gbọ́ nípa IPOB ìyẹn ìjọ Biafra. Kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ láìpẹ́? Kí ló máa fa eré sísá? Kí ló máa fa betí tó jẹ́ pé àwọn kan sá eré bàtà wọn máa kàn wọ́n lẹ́yìn ẹsẹ̀ lẹ́yìn ọrùn nígbà tí wọ́n bá ti eré mọ́lẹ̀? Nítorí kí ló fà á? Nítorí àìgbọràn. Ìjó lásìkò àkókò wà bí ò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ àkókò ń bẹ fún ìran Yorùbá láti lọ. Gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ máa gbọ́ lórí ètò lónìí. Ẹ̀yin ṣá farabalẹ̀ ẹ máa bá mi bọ̀. Ẹ máa jájọ máa bọ̀ tó rẹ́ni bá lọ òun lọ bá a kú. Ẹ wá farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tí bàbá yìí sọ. Ohun tí ó mú kí ọmọ Tinubu kó sá kolobákolobà. Ẹ mọ̀ pé nígbà tí àgbàlagbà máa ń sáré nínú ẹ̀kan, ẹ̀yin Yorùbá náà lẹ́bọ̀ lẹ́ni bí ọ̀bá lé nǹkan máa lérú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀. Bí nǹkan ṣe máa lé báyìí, bí ó ṣe sáré tí ó sá kolobákolobà, gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ máa gbọ́ lórí ètò báyìí. Lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí ni kò ní pẹ́ tí ń fi gbé wá fún yín. Agídíwo wá làwọn ọmọ Haúsá ń ṣe. Ẹ tí ì gbọ́ irú ìran wọn tí wọ́n ń ṣe. Kí nìdí tí wọ́n fi ṣe protest níjọ́sí tí wọ́n fi ń gbé fíláàgì káàkiri? Gbogbo ẹ̀ ni bàbá yìí máa tú. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni irú èèyàn wo gan ni Putin jẹ́, ìyẹn president Russia tí wọ́n ń pè. Ọ̀yá ẹ máa gbọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ nínú ètò. Ẹ wo bí ọmọ Yorùbá àti gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa tẹ́ ń gbọ́ wa pátápátá. Ọ̀rọ̀ wa ò fariwo kò fàjà mọ́. Ọ̀rọ̀ wa ò nílò wàhálà kankan. Ìkí pé ká máa nírètí ká máa retí. Àmọ́ ẹ bá wa pín program yìí, ẹ pín fídíò yẹn jó dé ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn ẹni tó yẹ kó dé gangan. Pàápàá irú àwọn bàbá Bọ́lá Tinubu, àwọn bíi Fẹ́mi Gbàjàbíàmílà, àwọn Ọbásanjọ́ àti gbogbo àwọn tí agbára orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà ń bẹ lọ́wọ́ wọn. Ẹ jó dé ọ̀dọ̀ ọ̀gá àwọn ológun Nàìjíríà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹjọ́ dọ́dọ̀ ọ̀gá àwọn ọlọ́pàá kí wọ́n lè mọ̀ wípé wọ́n ti finá sórí òrùlé sùn. There is a fire on the mountain. Iná ń bẹ lórí òkè tó ń jó báyìí. Láìpẹ́ láì jìnnà tí wọ́n bá kọ̀ láti pín orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà sí wẹ́wẹ́, wọ́n máa sá kolobákolobà. Ẹ wo ẹ má jẹ́ tàn yín, ẹ má jẹ́ ń fa àkókò ṣòfò mọ́. Ẹ jẹ́ sáré gbé yín débẹ̀. Àmọ́ ẹ bá mi pín ètò yìí. Ẹ jẹ́ kó wọ̀ gbòòrò ayé lọ. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́. Ọ̀yá ẹ bá ń fohùn sí nínú ilé fún wọn. Ẹ gbádùn bàbá wa Professor Marcus Tibetan. Ẹ ṣeun.
Bàbá Akíntóyè then Igboho. Then I give kudos to all the Yoruba fighters. And the other guy who, he gave them the time they are going to leave. One thing has to push one thing before we get to where we are going. Raising Russia flag, raising Jamaican flag, Nigeria is a sovereign city. So the people raising those flags, not Putin. Amongst all the presidents we have ever met in the whole world, I kudos to him. He's a great father. Then after him is Netanyahu. Netanyahu, they are record right from the time of Etebe. The army of Uganda, they prove it. No blood of any Israelites can drop in the presence of Netanyahu. He will never. That's their family. That's their family logo. That's how it should be. That is how I give kudos to Baba Akintoye. Then Igboho. Then I give kudos to all the Yoruba fighters. And the other guy who was that has a trans brother in London too. Yinka grandson.
Okay.
Yinka grandson, they are all there. These are potential good Nigerians that has all the mathematics in their head. They just released him. He says he can give the statistics. The numbers of Igbo that they've trained in Lagos. The number of something that left the port. Yes. But they will never allow these people to come in there. So that flag, we have our own flag too. We have Yoruba Nation flag. Yes. So if they want to see flag, we can bring it out. We have our own flag. And the Igbo too have their own flag. It's only the Arewa flag. Then they have their own flag too. So they knew we would leave one day. They know that we are going to break up one day. Calling soldier this time will not work. You know soldier can face the international community with this. No way, no way. We are polluted more than the soldier to come in. Even soldier has messed up before. Messed us up. You see what Babangida did to Abiola? You said the government is going to finance a party. SDP and NRC. You see what they do to those state people in 1983. We cannot forget all these things. We cannot forget all these things. So we don't need to go to bigger war. I don't pray any Igbo should lose their life. I don't pray any Hausa should lose their life. I don't pray any Yoruba to lose their life. We should come in round table. Enough is enough of Obasanjo's saga. Enough is enough of Arewa, born to rule. Babangida, Abu Salam is enough is enough. Nobody can kill the truth. One day, you know when you wanted to go to the toilet? If the time is not up for you to poo, you can be there reading paper. But when the time comes, you just poo and then leave. And all these things we are doing, God knows when we are going to part. And that's what he said in the book of Daniel 9. If you want to read Daniel 9, it's there. Because that was the reason why Daniel was fasting every day. You remember in Psalm 137, he said by the rivers of Babylon. Then when you look at the book of Exodus 5, 10 to 16, then Exodus 7, 8, 9, and 12, he said, eat your food. Why what? While you're about going. Eat your food standing. Eat your food as what? As standing. Your God should be in you. You are living today. Because when you look at the book of Genesis 15 from 12 to 14, he said they are going to serve for 430 years. And when the time up, kò sí nǹkan tó ní bẹ̀rẹ̀ tí ò lópin, àwọn òyìnbó yẹn ti sọ pé 100 years. So flag kan Igbo ń bọ̀ kò sí ìsọjà fẹ́ gbàjọba kò lè kó Igbo láyà jẹ, kò lè kó Yorùbá láyà jẹ. Wọ́n kó sójà wá bá wa ní Òkè Igbó, wọ́n kó sójà wá bá wa lọ́wọ́ ní táìmù Ṣàgárí, but gbogbo wọn ò padà. Nǹkan tá lè fẹ́ yín ṣe, a lè fi machine gun ṣe. Nǹkan burúkú sì wà ní oko ń sìn, but tí nǹkan burúkú bá ṣẹlẹ̀ nígboro, a lọ gbé nǹkan burúkú tí ní oko wá sí. And when you look at the book of Genesis 14, from verse 16 down, when they told Abraham that the gangsters have robbed Lot of his valuable, then he now decided to go and bring all the bad boys that he has trained to run after and then get those things back. And you remember 1 Samuel 30, it's the same thing. David said, should I pursue them or I wait? He said, pursue them. Ọlọ́run ò bí òjò. Then when you look at the book of 1 Samuel 24, from verse 10, he said, I never knew that we are in the same hole. That is David and Saul. So you have caught my garment. He said, yes, but I will never kill you, my Lord. Then the enemy now pray for David. We are still going to hold our hands and pray for peace to reign. Then this dialogue, either we break or man, it will happen. But we are very close to breakage.
Even I saw some Northerners, Ariwa group, that they are now calling for separation.
Yes, kí la tún dúró dè? Ó ti tán. Ó ti tán. Ìyàwó ẹ lòun fẹ́ kọ̀ ẹ́. Ó dẹ̀ ti lọ gbàdúrà wọn lòun ní problem ẹ. Ó dẹ̀ ti wà bẹ́ẹ̀ láti bí ọdún mẹ́ta. So automatically, ṣe ló yẹ kó kúnlẹ̀ nínú tọ́lẹ̀ kó máa fọwọ́ ra wọ́n pé Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kó lè, ó ṣe sọ Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ o, Olúwa jẹ́ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ o. So dẹ̀ tún lòun lọ ń sìnkẹ́ ó lòun máa ká àwọn ọmọ dání. Wàrà yìí travel, jẹ́ kó máa lọ. Only 20 boys cannot pray for what? For 20 years. But this is 100 plus. 2014 ló yẹ kí gbogbo ẹ ti dàrú ká ti máa lọ. Àwọn Fúlàní, àwọn Haúsá mọ̀, Ìgbò náà dẹ̀ mọ̀, Yorùbá mọ̀ pé a máa lọ. So bó ṣe rí ni. Yoruba Nation ti wà tẹ́lẹ̀, máa sẹ́ni máàpù kan sí ẹ, kò lè wó ń bẹ̀. So kì í ṣe nǹkan tuntun. Wọ́n kàn kó ọpọlọ wa, wọ́n kàn kó adìyẹ mọ́, ṣàpamọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀pọ̀ ní. Wọ́n fi lè waste time wa ní. Àbá ti bú ju bá ṣe wà yìí lọ. Kò sí Yorùbá tí ìbá máa lọ sí òyìnbó mọ́. Àwọn òyìnbó ní ìbá máa ṣiṣẹ́ fún wa. Ṣé bí wọ́n gba visa lọ lóyìnbó tẹ́lẹ̀? Torí àwa dúdú yìí náà ni. Torí àwa Yorùbá yìí ni. Àwa la máa ń lọ. They gave it to us. Look at Pai Modu. Look at the Inahoro. Look at all these great people. Look at the Gwinnett family. Look at all of them.